So hello everyone. So we have studied the calculus limit part. Now today we will solve problem on limit. So before going on problems, let's see the formulas. So for finding the limit, we have to find. Let's suppose we have to find the limit at this x approaches to a. So it means we will go from approach from right side also, and we will approach from left side also. So when we will approach from right side, we will take x approach to a plus 0. So we will replace x by a plus 0. So we will get the function f of a plus h. Then we will take the limit. And similarly, in case of negative, we will replace x by a minus ka h approach to 0. Na? So we will solve the problems. And when limit will exist, it will exist only if a plus and a minus limit will be 0. A plus means f of a plus h. So we will solve the problems, and we have already seen this. This is the formulas. Some expansions we have also seen. You have to remember these all. You can leave this part, na? This one. This is not too much important. And one more thing is there. Log 1 is 0, you know. Log e is 1. Log infinity is infinity, and log 0 is minus infinity. You can simply, you no need to remember, you can simply plot the graph. You know the graph of log x. This is the log x graph. And x equal to 1, it gives the 0 values. And x equal to infinity, it gives the infinity. And x equals to 0, it's coming minus infinity. Na? So this is some standard results. We already know this. In determinate form also we know, if 0 by 0 form is there, then we will apply simply the L'Hopital's rule. If 0 by into infinity form is there, then we will simply divide the one term. We have seen these all. If 0 by 0, 1 power infinity or infinity by 0, these forms are there, we will simply take the log, and then it will convert into this form, 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. So let's solve today's problem. So first problem is limit x approaches to 0, x cube plus x square upon 2x cube minus 7x square. So simply put the x equal to 0, we are getting 0 by 0 form. Na? So 0 by 0 form is there. So we can simply apply L'Hopital's rule. So let's apply the L'Hopital's rule. But before L'Hopital's, take the x square common, we can simply cancel it. So if we will cancel, then it will be x plus 1 upon में 2x minus का 7. If we will put 0, then it will be minus 1 upon 7. So no need to apply L'Hopital's also. You can apply L'Hopital's also. Now second problem is x approaches to 0. We know that x approaches to 0, sin x upon में x is 1. So we can, here sin x is 2 by 3. So we can also give here 2 by 3. So multiplied by 2 by 3 and divide also 2 by 3. Means if you will divide here 2 by 3, it will go up, na? 2 by 3. So it will be 1 and 2 by 3 will be your answer. This problem, x approaches to infinity. Listen, this keep in mind, if sin x is there, na? You know the graph of sin x is whatever the value of x, it will only takes the value from minus 1 to plus 1. Na? Sin x will always take the value from minus 1 to plus 1. If x approaches to infinity is there, so this is the very big terms, na? Infinite terms. This is also infinite terms, and this is sin x is minus 1 to plus 1. So we can neglect this sin x term. So it is infinity upon infinity term. So x upon x term is there. So it will be 1. Okay. Our second method is, we know if x infinity is there, then we simply change it by x, dividing the x. It will be x approaches to like 0 term so we will divide simply by x, then it will be 1 plus sin x upon में sin x upon में 1, sin x upon में x, again it is 0 because I have already told you x approaches to infinity is there, so this is the infinite term. This is sin x is minus 1 to plus 1, so we will neglect this term, so 1 upon infinity is 0. So sin f upon x, if it's coming x approaches to infinity is there, then this keep in mind. Now the next problem, limit alpha approaches to 0 x to the power alpha minus 1 upon में alpha. Here alpha means x na, so x is alpha, so don't confuse na. So this is simply a to the power x minus 1 upon में x. So if you will put the alpha equal to 0, then it is the 0 by 0 form. So 0 by 0 form is there, simply we can differentiate by applying the L'Hopital's. So x to the power alpha minus 1 upon में alpha na. So its differentiation is a to the power x differentiation is a power x ln x. So a to the power x ln x, it means x to the power alpha ln x. So if you will put alpha equal to 0, then it will be ln x only na. So ln x will be our answer. Now these terms 1 plus 1 upon x, x approaches to infinity, means if you will put x approaches to infinity, it is coming out 1 to the power infinity. If 1 power infinity form is there, then I have already told you the formula. This is very important formula, you have to remember. So what we will do, we will simply take e to the power this term minus 1. 1 plus 1 upon x minus का 1 means 1 upon x will be there into multiplied by this function 2x. So x to x will be cancelled. So e to the power 2 will be the answer. Or by another way, you can take the log and apply the L'Hopital's rule. This is the very long process. Now here sin x upon x na, x approaches to infinity, sin x upon x we know it is 1. So here sin x square is there and 1 x is there, so we can multiply 1 more x and divide also na, multiplied and divide by x. So it becomes converted into sin square x upon x square. So it will be 1 into x. So 1 into 0 will be 0 the answer na. Now here is the function given, it is asking about the limit x approaches to 3, what will be its value na. So simply you put the limit x equal to 3, then it's coming out to be 0 by 0 form. So 0 by 0 form is there, so simply we can apply the L'Hopital's. After applying the L'Hopital's, differentiate, this is the 4x plus 4x minus 7 upon 10x minus 12, and then put the x equal to 3, we will get the answer. Now next problem is e to the power minus x minus का 1 plus x square upon 2 upon x cube. What we will do, first put the x equal to 0, then it's coming out to be 0 by 0 form. So 0 by 0 form is there, simply apply the L'Hopital's rule. So after applying the L'Hopital's rule, it will be e to the power x minus का 1 plus x upon में 3x square. Now it is the put the 0, so it is 0 by 0 form again. So again you can differentiate it. So again differentiate, again apply L'Hopital's. So e to the power x minus का 1 upon में 6x na. Now put x equal to 0, it's again coming 0 by 0 form. So again we can apply the L'Hopital's, e to the power x upon में 6. Now put the x equal to 0, it is 1 upon में 6. So 1 upon 6 is the answer. Now the next problem is x to the power 1 by 3 minus 2 upon x minus 2 x minus 8. If we will put x equal to 8, then it's also 0 by 0 form. So again we can apply the L'Hopital's rule. It is very easy. 1 by 3 x to the power minus 2 by 3 upon में 1. So x to the power minus 2 by 3. Now put x equal to 8, then it's coming to 1 by 12. It's very easy. Now sin theta upon में theta approaches to 0, it's a formula only. Value is the 1 minus cos x upon x square. So 1 minus cos x upon x square. What you can do here, you can simply put the formula, convert this into half angle of the sine, na. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2, you know, na, you know this formula. So it will be converted into 2 into sin x by 2, and in denominator also it is x, so it will be a square. But here sin x by 2 is here, so what we can do, we can give the here 2 divided by 2 and multiplied by 2. So this multiplication 2, it will come here. So 2 divided by 4 into sin x by 2 upon x by 2 whole square. So this term will be 1, since x approaches to 0 is there, so it will be 1, and 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 is the answer. This formula you have to remember, na. This is the very general formula. 1 minus cos x upon x square, x approaches to 0, it is half. Now the next problem is x approaches to 0, if we will put, it is again coming 0 by 0 form. So simply apply the L'Hopital's, then it will be 1 minus cos x upon sin x. No, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, so minus minus plus. So 1 minus cos x upon sin x, again you put 0, then again 0 by 0 form is there, so we can differentiate it again. So one differentiation of 1 will be 0, and cos x is minus sin x, so minus minus plus, so plus sin x upon cos x, so it is tan x, and tan 0 is 0, so 0 is the answer. Next problem is e to the power 2x minus 1 upon sin 4x. So e to the power 2x minus 1 upon sin 4x, put x equal to 0, then it's coming out to be 0 by 0 form. So 0 by 0 form is simply apply the L'Hopital's rule. E to the power minus 2x, it is e to the power plus 2x, 2 e to the power 2x upon 4 into sin x, na. So again put x equal to 0, again it is coming out, no, not coming out to be 0, sin 4x and e to the power 2x. Now put x equal to 0, so it's coming out to be 1 upon 0, means option is incorrect, I think. Oh, sorry, differentiation of sin x is cos x, na. So here cos 4x will be there, na. So cos 0 is 1, so 1 by 2 will be the answer, means 0.5. It's very easy one. 1 minus cos x square upon I have already told, if x approaches to 0 is there, 1 minus cos x upon x square is 1 by 2, na. So here is x square, means x square to the whole square should come here, means x to the power 4 should come here. So simply its value will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into will be 1 by 4, na? Or second method I have already told you, you can convert this 1 minus cos x to sin square x by 2. In that formula you can also change. Or third method is, since 0 by 0 form is there, you can simply apply the L'Hopital's rule, but much easier is this converting this cos into sin x, na? Now the next problem is minus sin x upon 2 sin x plus cos x, x approaches to 0, if you put, then it's coming out to be 0 by 0 plus, means 0 by 1, so its value will be 0. This is not indeterminate form, na, so it will be simply 0. Sin theta by 2 upon theta approaches to 0, so we know that if theta approaches to 0 is there, then simply theta by 2 we need to keep here and multiply also 2, so it will be 1 by 2, this will be 1, no. Now the next problem is of x approaches to infinity, na. So 1 upon infinity is 0, So 1 to the power infinity form is there. So 1 power infinity form, I have already told you what will be the formula. E to the power limit this function minus 1. So minus 1 if you will do, then it will be 1 by x into this upper function x. So 1 by x into x, it will be 1 only. So e to the power 1 will be the answer. X minus sin x upon x plus cos x. Put x approach to, since x approach to infinity is there. See here, I have already told you this is the very big term, na, infinity. So we can neglect the sin x and cos x term. So x upon my x, it will be 1 only answer. Or you can divide by x, same thing is there only. If you will divide, then same concept we have to apply. See this again, 1 power infinity form is there. So 1 power infinity form is there, then I have told you the formula, very important formula was it, e to the power limit this function minus ka 1. So minus 1 by n will be the remaining into multiplied by this upper function, it is 2n. So n to n will be cancelled, so minus 2 will be, means e to the power minus 2, na, this one, very easy one. X to the power 1 upon x, x approach to infinity, na. So it's x approach to infinity there, it means infinity to the power 1 by infinity means 0. Infinity power 0 is there. Infinity power 0 is there. We don't have any formula, so simply we will take the log. So after taking the log, it's coming out to be log y equal to log x to the power 1 by x, x to the power 1 by x. This property, you know, it will come here 1 by x. So log x up into 1 by x. So log x of 1 by x. Now x approach to infinity, log x. We know at x approach to infinity, what is the value of log x? X approach to infinity, it's infinity. So infinity by infinity means 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form is there. So apply L'Hopital's rule. So this is very easy, na. Always remember, you have to do, if 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity is there, then simply take the L'Hopital's rule. In any other case, you can apply directly by taking the log and then again converting into 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form. So log x differentiation 1 by x, x differentiation 1, so 1 by x upon by x, so it will be the 0. X approach to infinity, 1 by 0 is, it will be 0. Now log y equal to 0, so y will be the e to the power 0, it means 1. See, x minus 4 x equal to approaches to 4 means this is only the, if x minus 4 if you will replace by h, then h approaches to 0 will be there. So 0 by 0 it will be 1 only. Formula is there only, na. Next problem. See, x plus x square e to the power minus x. If x approaches to infinity will be there, then what it will be? It will be infinity to the power 1 upon infinity means 0. E to the power minus infinity means e to the power minus x is 1 upon e to the power x. 1 upon infinity means 0. So infinity power 0 is there. What you will do? Simply take the log. After you taking the log, it will be this e to the power minus x term, it will come into multiplication here. This is the log property. It will be e to the power minus x into log 1 plus x square. E to the power minus x means 1 upon e to the power x. Now this is converted into infinity upon infinity. So simply apply the L'Hopital's rule. 1 plus x square. So 1 upon 1 plus x square into 2x. And e to the power x, and simply you can, if after differentiating again it's coming infinity by infinity, so again apply the L'Hopital's rule, and like that way you will get the answer, na. Now 0 by 1 upon infinity form is there, na. 1 upon infinity not indeterminate form, so it will be simply 0. So first you need to remember, na, either is it indeterminate form or not. Same question repeated in Computer Science 2016 also. So one only. Yeah, this concept also you have to remember. If a square root term is coming, then what it's coming? n approach to infinity means infinity minus infinity term is coming. Infinity minus infinity is also an indeterminate form. So how you will convert this infinity in minus infinity into 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity? By simply rationalizing it. Rationalizing means multiply the numerator and denominator by replacing this minus by plus. So after multiplying, you will get a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square formula, you will convert it, then it will simply come to here. Now after coming here, it is converted into n minus का 1 अपन में a square root of n square plus n. No, it's a square root of n square, n square plus का n plus a square root of n square plus का 1. So what I have told you, if infinity term is there, so n is very big term, so remaining term we can neglect, so n is infinity, so n here n square is infinity, it's bigger than this, so we can neglect this. So a square root of n square will be n plus here also n square is there, this is a smaller term, you can neglect this also. A square root of n square is n, but always keep in mind a square root of n square is mod n. If negative term is there, like here n approaching to infinity is there, but if it's telling that n approaching to minus infinity, then we will open this term by negative. So always keep in mind. So it will be n upon में 2n. So n upon में 2n is 1 by 2, or simply you can divide by n also, but this is the very shortcut formula. 1 by 2 will be answer. If n approaches to minus infinity will be there, then minus 1 by 2 will come the answer, because this mod will open with plus only, and this minus infinity will open here minus, so it will be 1 by 2 plus ka. Next problem is log to the base e 1 plus 4x upon e to the power minus e to the power 3x minus 1. If you will put the x approaching to 0, so it will be 0, it means 1 upon में e to the power 0, 1 upon में 0 form is there. Is it like that? If you will put x approaching to 0, then sorry, log 1, log 1 means 0, so 0 by 0 form is there. So 0 by 0 form is there, so simply we can take the L'Hopital's, differentiating this 1 upon में 1 plus 4x into 4 divided by 3 into e to the power 3x. Now put x approaching to 0, so 1 plus 4x, it will be 4x will be 0, so 1 e to the power 0 1 again, so 4 by 3 is coming right answer. So limit is very easy, again you will put x approaching to infinity, this is very a small term, you can neglect, so it's coming x root x means x minus x means infinity minus infinity, so infinity minus infinity term is there, so simply we will rationalize it. After rationalizing, you can calculate in mind also. After that it will be plus 1, x approaching to infinity there, so this square minus this square, a square minus b square term will become, so mod x is a square, mod x minus x square upon में this term a square root of this, so mod x minus x, mod x plus x will be there, now x approaching to infinity is there, so what will you do? See here, here again same problem, 1 plus 1 2, and here we can neglect this, so 1 by 2 will be the correct answer. So you can rationalize it also, or you can divide this. By dividing you can also do, same way is there only. This a square is there na here. Oh, a square is there, so if solve it is same problem is there that we have discussed earlier. See this problem, limit x approaches to 0, y approaches to 0 is also there, x y upon x square plus y square na. What you will do in this case, you have to simply do what, one by one you will do. You will first take x approaches to infinity, so x approaches to infinity and y approaches to 0 na. So we will do one by one we will do. So we can simply put one by one. Actually this is the one theory concept which we have missed na. So this is also one important concept you have to keep in mind. So let's study theory first. So in this types of problem, if two limits are there, then we have to take three cases. In first case, we will put this x equal to 0 and y approaches to 0 na. So limit will be y approaches to 0 and x one by one we will do na. So x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 means 0 into y means 0 upon me x equal to 0, y approaches to 0, so y square. So what will be its limit? Its limit will be 0. And in second case, now we will put y equal to 0 and x approaches to 0. So if we will put y equal to 0 and x approaches to 0, then same term will come 0 upon me x square. Now limit is x approaches to 0, so it will be not 0, I think we are wrong, 1 upon 0 infinity no. So it will coming infinity. Now in third case what we will do, in third case we will put always y equal to mx. So put y equal to mx here, the limit will be converted into mx square upon me x square plus m square x square na? So x square will be cancelled, the limit will be converted into m upon me 1 plus m square. So now you can see here the solution, we have forgotten this. So limit will be x approaches to infinity, this limit we have to take infinity term. So it will be m upon me 1 plus m square. He have done mistake. X approaches to 0 by there in the question, so it will be infinity, this will be infinity, this was also x approaches to 0 will come. Since we have replaced now, we have replaced by mx, so x approaches to 0 will be there, but here x term is not coming. So means what will be our final answer now? Our final answer will be this case 1, case 2 and case 3. If all three are coming equal, then only we will say that limit exists and that will be the value of the limit. Otherwise limit does not exist no? So this will be the right answer, limit does not exist. So this is the important concept to keep in mind. And since this is the in this problem it is given like x approaches to 0 term is there na. If you will change the concept, then it will come the different formula. So we will solve all many other problems, then we will find it. So that's it for limit. Thank you very much.